Hi guys! If you're planning to buy the Ninja air fryer and toaster oven combo with thermometer, be sure to check the purchase link in the description below where you may find the best available deal. Finding one kitchen appliance that can replace several others is becoming more important than ever, and that's exactly what the Ninja Double Stack XL DCT651 is designed to do. Instead of filling your countertop with separate appliances, this all-in-one unit combines powerful air frying, baking, roasting, broiling, toasting, dehydrating, and much more into one premium package. The first thing that stands out is the sleek stainless steel construction. It looks modern, feels durable, and complements almost any kitchen design. While the exterior is impressive, the real innovation is found inside. One of the biggest advantages is the advanced DualZone technology. This allows you to cook two completely different meals simultaneously without mixing flavors. Whether you're preparing crispy chicken in one cooking zone while roasting vegetables or baking potatoes in the other, Smart Finish technology ensures both dishes finish cooking at exactly the same time. That means less waiting, better meal coordination, and a much easier dinner routine. Another feature that immediately catches attention is the built-in smart thermometer. Simply insert the temperature probe into your meat, choose your preferred doneness, and let the appliance handle the rest. It continuously monitors the internal temperature and automatically adjusts the cooking process to deliver juicy chicken, perfectly cooked steak, or tender pork every single time. Cooking performance is outstanding. The powerful convection system circulates superheated air around every side of the food, creating crispy textures with significantly less oil than traditional deep frying. French fries become perfectly golden, chicken wings develop crispy skin while remaining juicy inside, and vegetables roast evenly with rich flavor and satisfying texture. Versatility is another major strength. With 12 built-in cooking functions, you can air fry, bake, broil, roast, toast, reheat, dehydrate, keep food warm, prepare pizza, toast bagels, and much more. It eliminates the need for several countertop appliances while simplifying everyday meal preparation. The Double Stack XL interior provides generous cooking capacity without taking over your kitchen counter. It's large enough for family-sized meals while remaining compact enough for everyday use. Whether you're preparing breakfast, lunch, dinner, or weekend gatherings, there's plenty of space to cook efficiently. Using the appliance is refreshingly simple. The digital control panel features an easy-to-read display, responsive buttons, and intuitive controls that make selecting temperatures, cooking modes, and timers effortless. Even if you've never used an advanced air fryer before, you'll feel comfortable after just a few minutes. Cleaning is equally convenient. The removable trays, racks, and accessories feature durable non-stick coatings that help food release easily while reducing cleanup time. Since air frying requires much less oil, cleaning is usually much quicker than traditional frying methods. Another benefit is energy efficiency. This countertop oven heats much faster than a conventional full-size oven, reducing preheating time while helping lower energy consumption for everyday cooking. It's especially useful during warmer seasons when you don't want to heat your entire kitchen. Whether you're making breakfast toast, homemade pizza, roasted vegetables, baked desserts, frozen snacks, juicy meats, or reheating leftovers, this appliance consistently produces delicious results. Foods cook evenly, maintain moisture, and develop the crispy finish that makes air frying so popular. Overall, the Ninja air fryer and toaster oven combo DCT651 delivers an impressive combination of smart technology, versatile cooking options, generous capacity, premium construction, and dependable performance. Features like DualZone Technology, Smart Finish, the integrated smart thermometer, and 12 cooking functions make it one of the most capable countertop cooking appliances available today. If you're looking for a reliable kitchen upgrade that saves time, simplifies cooking, and consistently delivers excellent meals, this model is definitely worth considering. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more honest product reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.